Hello everyone, hope everybody's doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made my garlic chili oil. It's a must-have in your pantry, so you can add it to your any recipe, especially Asian or South Asian. The amount I'm making, it lasts me 2 to 3 weeks, but it could last you more longer because I cook a lot. To make this, we need 1/3 cup crushed chili pepper, 1/3 cup garlic, 1/4 cup soy sauce, and 1 cup vegetable oil. Let's heat up the oil and crush all the garlic cloves. It's very important that you hand crush the garlic because without crushing it with hands, it's not going to give you the same flavor. And make sure to crush this much. Do not paste them or do not cut them with a knife. After crushing all, your garlic should look like this. Now it's ready to fry. Make sure your oil is really hot and turn off the stove before you start putting the garlic. Then wait exactly a minute before adding any other stuff to it. I'm going to remove it from the stove and mix everything in a bowl. It's easier to stir it in the bowl, and it's also easier to cool it down before you put it in a jar. Great part is at this point you can add more oil if you want, and you just have to make sure the oil is boiling hot. And after that you mix it and let it cool again. For a nice aroma, I'm adding 2 pieces of cloves. It's optional. You guys can add star anise, cloves, or cinnamon sticks. Anything will give an extra flavor to it, and the oil will smell really nice and fresh for a longer period of time. I'm all done, and you have to make sure you completely cool it down before you store it and enjoy it for a month. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Thank you.